नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जे बिन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम जयोति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session we are going about discuss the cost of production and cost of project. Now so let's start the topic, cost of production. Now given the estimate and productions, the cost of productions and may be worked out. The major components of cost of productions are: the first one is the material. The most important and elements of cost, and the materials cost and comprises the cost of raw materials, chemicals, components and consumable, and the storage and required for the productions. And while estimating and the materials cost, the following points and should be the borne in mind. Now the requirements of various and materials inputs per unit of output and may be established on the basis of one or more of the following. The first, ethical consumptions and norms and the experience of the industry and performance graduates on the specifications and machinery and the supplies. Now the total and requirements of various materials inputs and can be obtained by the multiplying the requirements per unit of output and with the expected output during the year. The price of material inputs are defined in the cost, insurance and freight terms. The present cost of the various and materials input is the considered, and in other words the factors of inflations and is ignored, and if the seasonal and the functional in the price are regular, the same must be considered in the estimating and the cost of material input. Now second is the utilities, and the utilities consist of power and the fuel. The requirements of power and water and fuel may be determined on the basis of the norms and specified by the collaborates or consultants and etc. on the consumptions and standards in the industry, which whenever is higher. Now next the labor. The labor cost is the cost. Labor cost is the cost, and the behavior cost and the behavior cost and the all the manpower and employed in the factory and labor cost and naturally is a functions of the number of the employees and the rate of remunerations. The requirements of workers and depends on the number of operators. So helper are required for the operating various machines and the manning various services. The number of surveying on the personnel and the administrative staff may be the calculated on the basis of the general norms of prevailing in the industry. The factory overhead and the expenses on the repairs and the maintenance and rent tax and insurance or factory and assets and so on are collectively and referred to as the factory overhead. Now let us start. Now let the discuss the topic of cost of project. The cost of project, the conceptually and the cost of project. Representations here represents the total of all items of associated with a project and which is supported by long-term funds. It is the sum of the outlays and on the following: the land and site development. The cost of land and site development in the sum of the following: the basic cost of land and including the conventions and other aligned charges, the cost of laying and approach roads and internal roads, the cost of tubes, and building and services civil works, the buildings and civil works and convert the following: buildings for the main plant and requirements. Now, buildings for building for services and like steam and the supply, workshop and the laboratory, water and supply and etc. Now factory and the buildings lie and canteen, guest houses and time office and excuse house and etc. The plant and machinery. The cost of plant and machinery and typically the most significant and the component of project cost consists of the following: the cost of important machinery, and this is the sum of FOB, free on board value, the shipping and the insurance cost, and the important duty, and the claiming, loading and uploading and the transpositions charges. Now the cost of indigenous and machinery, the consist of FOB, free of rail cost, the sales tax and other taxes, if any sales tax, railway, fridges on the transports on the charge to site. Now the foundations and the installations charges, and the cost of storage and space, the technical know-how and engineering fees. It is the necessary to engage and technical and consultants for the advice and helps in various technical matters. Unlike presentation of project, report and choose of the technology and selections of the plant and machinery, their detail and engineering and so on, and the expenses on the foreign technicians and training of the Indian technicians aboard. The services of foreign technicians and may be required in Indian for settings up the project and supervising the trailer and runs. The miscellaneous on the fixed assets, and the machinery which are not part of the direct and the manufacturing process may be referred to as the miscellaneous mixed and assets. They includes items and like furniture and office and machinery and equipments, tools and vehicles, laboratories. The equipments and so on the expenses and the incurred for procurement and the or use of patents and license and trademark, copyright and etc. The preliminary and the capital issues expenses. Now, expenses and incurred for the identify at the project and conducting market survey and the preparing the feasibility report and draft the memorandum are referred to the as primarily expenses. The expenses borne in the connections with the raising of the capital from the public are referred to as the capital issues and expenses. The major components of capital issues and expenses are the underwriting and the compressions and brokerage fees to the manage and registrations and printing and postage, the expenses and the advertising and publicity and expenses, listing fees and the stamp duty. The pre-options and operative expenses. The expenses of the following and the types of included all the under till the common statement of the commercials and productions are referred as pre-operative expenses. Now, the establishment and expenses and rent rates and the taxes and the traveling expenses and interest and commitment on the charges of the borrowing and insurance charges and interest and the different pays and payments and start of the expenses and the mortgage expenses. And the pre-operative expenses are directly related to the project and the implementation schedule, and so delays and in the project implementations on which are the fairly and the common trend to push up these expenses. Now, margin money of working capital. The principles and support for the working capital is the provided by the commercial banks and the trade creditors, and however a certain part of the working and the capital requirements has to the come and long term sources of finance. The referred to the as the margin money, and for working capital this is an important element of the project cost. The initial cost losses and the most of the project and increasing causes loss and in the initial years and yet and the promotes typically and do not disclose and the initial cash losses and because they want to project and to appear attractive and to the financial institutions and the investing and the public. The failure to the provisions for such cases and losses in the project cost generally affects and the liquidity positions and the impairs the options, and hence the calls for the making provisions and over or convert and for the estimate cash and losses. Thank you. This sessions powered by thank you. This session powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, and we will discuss the problem solving. Thank you.